That's good. That's a good tip.
Mm-hmm. And then you have to have a charcoal activated interior cabin filter for the other smells. Yeah. You just recirculate the air through that for a few minutes.
Oh my God, you're gonna kill me. Some olive oil spilled on your seat. I'm so sorry.
Awesome.
Just a little bit. Speaking of. All right, what do you have for olive oil?
Olive oil? Well, that'll come out with the rug doctor. So.
It will? I'm so sorry. It's like 3 little clips of it in this thing I'm carrying. I'm very sorry. It's funny that it's the conversation we were having, or not funny, actually.
Well, messes happen.
Yeah, ironically, though, we were talking about it.
Yeah.
I'm sorry about that. It is a little bit of vinegar. I don't
Vinegar?
even have a napkin.
If it's vinegar, it's fine.
I'm sorry, it's not vinegar, it's olive oil.
Yeah, oil is just going to stay there for a while. I got to clean the thing up anyway, so you don't have to worry about it.
I apologize.
Haven't had a rug doctor in here in a while.
That's not going to get sent to the puke guy, is it?
Puke guy? What happened?
No, it's
it's
this. Just a little bit of olive oil.
Oh, it's alright. I mean...
Sorry about that.
It's not going to cost too much. What can you do? Olive oil happens.
Well, I have a caprese salad in here with olive oil on it, but it dripped down the side a little bit.
Well, hopefully it's a good salad because caprese is, what, mozzarella and tomatoes?
Yeah, and basil, but it's good. But it was requested that that's what they wanted me to bring, but it's a little tougher because tomatoes aren't really in season right now, so we'll see how it tastes.
Yeah, it's a little tricky.
Yeah.
The tomatoes are very hard right now.
They are. They're not the prettiest. A lot better in the middle of summer in Jersey, but it's okay. It's what I was asked to bring, so I'm bringing it. Done.
What breaks up oil? Can't remember.
Salt. Would salt kind of pull it a little bit? What did
Yeah.
I just hear about oil stains? Oh, you know what I just heard? You probably have this in your car, but packets of like artificial sweetener
Really?
will actually absorb it. Yeah, like Equal or what's the pink one?
There's Splenda,
Splenda,
Equal.
any of those
Yeah.
will absorb it. Probably like baking powder or soda would maybe pull it up. I'm so sorry about your seat.
It's alright, I'll just go buy some.
Splenda.
Yeah, I mean, I'll try it now that I've heard about it, because I would have to just go to YouTube and I would find that anyway.
Try it.
I'll give it a shot. Spills happen though. I mean, there's all kinds of different things. People spill soda. People spill that. Some people will get in the car with their alcoholic drink and like spill it all over themselves in the seat, and it happens like every week.
In your car?